Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Garlene and I create motivational, inspirational lifestyle content for other mom bosses just like me. And this is supposed to be a part 2 of how to design product labels in Canva. And I cannot find the second part of the video. I've been checking my external hard drive and I cannot find it. So I wanted to share how you are able to actually print product labels through Canva. So part 1 basically showed you how I was designing the product label. So I'll leave the video, I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. But this part 2 was just going to show you how you can use Canva to print product labels. The first thing you would do is go search labels, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to just click on something that's like a template that's already made, and I'm going to show you some of the things that you have to keep in mind when you're using Canva to print out your product labels. Okay, so up at the top you see where it says print stickers. You can print the stickers, however it's only going to be in 2 sizes. Okay, you can only get a 3x2 or a 6x4. So depending on the shape of your container, your candle, or whatever it is that you need your label for, so depending on that, I don't know if these sticker sizes are exactly what you're looking for, will dictate whether or not you can use their stickers. Okay, so you can get a gloss finish or you can get a matte finish. Okay, so it'll have a low sheen, and you can actually write on the matte finish labels. Okay, but the gloss you won't be able to write on it at all. So for 50 copies, you'll get it for $27.50. And so if you would divide the $27.50 by 50 labels, you're basically paying 55 cents per sticker. Some of these prices are a little bit odd for me. It's just like, you see how you're paying 55 cents per copy, but if you double it, they'll make you pay 45 cents. But then if you get 150 copies, it's $1.04 per copy. I don't understand. I don't get it. So you might have to do 2 separate orders so that if you need a 200, so you can get a better deal, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, that's for the 3x2, and then for the 6x4, ooh, the 6x4, that's $92.50 for only for 50 labels. Let me see how much that is. That's $1.85 per label. That's kind of high. Ooh. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. So that's just what I wanted to come on quickly to share with you, is that you can print out your labels through Canva. However, once you resize it to fit your container, they won't be able to print your custom size. So that's the only the downside of it. You can only print based off of the dimensions that they offer. And do keep in mind that you are able to do round stickers as well through Canva. So let's just say you want to do a circle sticker for your products. You can print that through Canva. And let's see what size that they have. I believe it's like a 3x3. Let's see here. So if you click on print stickers, size is small, which is a 2x2. Okay, so they give you 3 sizes. So 2x2 or 3x3 or 4x4. So depending on your product size, if you do a round sticker for your label, you can print that as well. And the prices are here. And then you can dictate whether or not you want to use them or not. And that is it of this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And as always, y'all be blessed.